Hello, John here with the Blind Android Users Podcast, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Pixel tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and get right to it. This is the box. It's very hefty because it's got the tablet and it's got the speaker / charging stand. So it's a pretty thick box. I'm going to... Usually they have tabs to pull, but I'm not feeling that on this, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it on this side and along this side. Okay. Turn it back over. Cut the top off. I'm assuming this is the tablet on top. Yep. I'm going to set this aside for now. Go right back to it. There is what I'm going to assume is just a piece of cardboard. And under that is this is the stand. I'm going to unwrap this. Definitely feels similar to a Nest Hub. Okay, so I'm gonna guess, yeah, this is right side up like this. So the bottom obviously is flat. It's got sort of rectangular shaped with rounded corners, more of a pill shape, I guess. And on the back there's a place to plug in. On the left side there's a place to plug in the power adapter, and on the front I can feel the pins where it will connect to the tablet. Set this aside. Assuming all that's left in here is the power adapter. Yeah, so here's the power adapter, which I will not be needing right now. So I'll just leave that. Move this box out of the way. Now I'm going to unwrap the tablet. Try not to tear this too badly. Okay. Alright, so it's actually not a bad size. Obviously it's like an 11-inch tablet size. It's got rounded edges, rounded corners and rounded edges, so it's not flat on the sides. Let's see. So on the back, I'll start on the back. Yeah, I can feel where the pins are going to attach down here. In the middle, I'm assuming that's just a Google logo. The top left, I'm holding it in landscape right now, facing away from me. The top left is the camera. I'll flip it back towards me and going to see what's along the top. So there's a power button and volume buttons on the right side. Near the edge, the volume buttons are raised and the power button is flush with the device. Then there's a mic. I'm assuming that's a mic about 2 inches to the left of the volume buttons, but not quite center. Then there's another, what feels like a mic near the center. I'm assuming none of these are holes for a SIM removal tool, since this doesn't have memory card support or SIM card support. Now down along the left side, what feels like a speaker at the top. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's on the right side. 1. Okay, so I don't know why I was expecting the USB-C port to be on the right side, but it's on the left side when you're holding it landscape. So there's 4 speakers that I can feel on, 2 on each side, and on the left side there's a USB-C plug between the speakers. Now on the bottom, there's what feels like feet. Maybe these actually rest on the table when, yeah, maybe these rest on the table. Now's a good time to see what the speaker dock situation is like. I'm gonna connect it. Okay, so the feet don't rest on the table, but I guess if it were to fall, I don't know what those feet are for. Okay, so it's on the stand now. It magnetically attaches. I'm gonna pick up, so I can pick up the whole thing. So one-handed, you're not gonna be able to take this thing off one-handed because it picks the stand up with it. Unless you twist it. Let me try twisting it. Yeah, I guess if you want to twist it, you can get it off one-handed. And I'm gonna go ahead and press some of these. I'm pressing volume buttons now. And it's not, it's pretty stable. I'm gonna press only the button. I'm not gonna even touch the tablet. It's rocking a little bit, but it's staying magnetized to the stand. So yeah, I think it's attached nicely. I wish the stand was a little heavier, but it stays together. All right, I'm going to detach it and turn it on. I'm holding the power button. I did not feel a vibration. Holding what I think is the power button. Okay. I can tell the screen has lit up, but there was no vibration. I'm going to press the volume keys and hold them and see if anything happens. Maybe I did it too early. Try again.
Press and hold both volume keys for 3 seconds to use talkback. Talkback on. Held volume keys. Talkback turned on. Welcome to talkback. Welcome to talkback. Page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for
So I'm going to turn it up a little bit.
who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your...
Oh, gotta touch the screen.
Welcome to talkback. Page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended...
I'm gonna back out of here.
Welcome to your Pixel tablet. Language, English, United States button. Press select to activate.
Okay, so I'm going to go through the setup, but I'm going to cut everything out that's not specific or new to the tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll see you in a little bit when I get to something that sets it apart or that's different from your average Pixel device setup.
Set up fingerprint unlock. Use your fingerprint to unlock your tablet or verify it's you, like when you sign into apps or approve a purchase.
Okay, so I'm going to try this new fingerprint setup because it'll be using the power button for the first time on a Pixel. They used to have the fingerprint sensor on the back of the phones, and then they moved them to under the display. So as far as I can recall, this is the first time it's been on an actual button.
How it works. Fingerprint Unlock creates a unique model of your fingerprint to verify it's you. To create this fingerprint model during setup, you will take images of your fingerprint from different positions.
Okay, we know how
When
it
you use
works.
fingerprint, you're in control. You can delete your fingerprint model or turn off.
I'm gonna turn this up a little bit.
Keep in mind, your tablet can be unlocked when you don't intend to. Learn more at No thanks, but I agree button.
I agree.
Double
Let's see.
tap to activate. Touch the power button without pressing it. The fingerprint sensor is on the power button. It's the flat button next to the raised volume button on the edge of the tablet.
So I think I touched it.
Lift, then touch again. Enrolling fingerprint 0%. Place the center. Enrolling fingerprint 4%. Enrolling fingerprint 8%. Enrolling fingerprint 12%. Change the position of your finger slightly each time. Place the center part of your finger on the sensor.
I know this is
Change the position of your finger slightly each time.
very
Make sure
intriguing.
you're enrolling fingerprint 24%. Enrolling.
I'll just try to do it as fast as possible.
Enrolling and place the left edge of your finger on the sensor. Enrolling fingerprint 60%.
We're at
Make
60%.
enrolling fingerprint 6. Enrolling fingerprint 80%. Make enrolling fingerprint 84%.
So I'm
Finally,
using.
place the right edge of your finger on the sensor. Change the position of your finger slightly. Finally, place the right enrolling fingerprint 92. Enrolling fingerprint 90. Enrolling fingerprint 100%. Fingerprint added. Now you can use your fingerprint to unlock your tablet or verify it's you, like when you sign into apps or approve a purchase. Add another fingerprint so it's easier to unlock when you hold your tablet in different ways. Add another button. Double tap to activate.
I'll skip this for now.
Next button.
Okay, so I'm here on the home screen. I've just finished the setup. I'm going to turn off the screen.
Screen off.
There was nothing specific to the tablet in the setup other than the fingerprint sensor part. There wasn't anything letting me know how to use the new taskbar. I guess that's something I'll have to figure out. But when I went through the tutorial of how to use gestures, it only mentioned the home gesture, the back gesture, and the recent gesture. It didn't say anything about the taskbar. As far as the feel and weight of the tablet, I like it. The size of the tablet, I like it. I will say, well, this is aluminum, but it's got a coating on it, so it doesn't feel metal, but it's very solid. There's no creaking to it or anything like that. I'm not going to try too hard, but when you try to bend it, it doesn't make any sound. I will use this for a few days, at least a week, and then I will let you know my thoughts on it. I'll do sound tests. I'll let you know what I figure out as far as... I have a lot of questions, so hopefully if you have questions too, I'll find the answers to them. So thanks for listening to this unboxing.